Okay, good afternoon po, sir and classmates. We will report about persuasion. So, kami po ay sina Nicole Albos, Princess Baltazar, Jerel Capulong, Joseph Del Rosario, Isabela Manabat, Bianca Mangahas, Nika Peña, Alison Ricabo, Bino Socrates, and Ruth Tanajeros.
When you think about persuasion, what comes to mind? Some people might think of advertising messages that urge viewers to buy a particular product, while others might think of a political candidate trying to sway voters to choose his or her name on the ballot box. Persuasion is a powerful force in daily life and has a major influence on society and neighborhood. Politics, legal decisions, mass media, news, and advertising are all influenced by the power of persuasion and influence us.
So yun, yung persuasion, iniisip natin, pang-advertising lang siya, pang-commercial, o kaya sa mga politiko, ganyan. Kapag may election, ganyan. Pero hindi natin namamalayan na everyday na may experience tayo na persuasion sa buhay natin. Ganun. So, yung politics, legal decisions, yung media, yung news and advertising, na-influensyahan yon ng persuasion at the same time, na-influensyahan din tayo yung mga decisions natin.
Sometimes we like to believe that we are immune to persuasion, that we have a natural ability to see through the sales pitch, comprehend the truth in a situation, and come to conclusions all on our own. This might be true in some scenarios, but persuasion isn't just a pushy salesman trying to sell you a car or a television commercial and enticing you to buy the latest and greatest product. Persuasion can be subtle, and somehow we respond to such influences can depend on a variety of factors.
So, yung sabi ko kanina, yung persuasion, hindi lang siya about sa pag-advertise ng product or nakikita sa commercial o kaya yung mga salesman pag pupunta ka sa mall. So, na-experience natin yung persuasion minsan, hindi natin napapansin na naapektuhan yung decisions natin. And minsan, nag-respond tayo in a way na-persuade ba nila tayo o hindi. So, yung dun sa game na pinagawa namin, yung mafia, yung mga killers, yung goal nila is na ma-convince yung mga civilians na hindi sila killers. Pero hindi sila nag-succeed kasi natalo sila. Nalaman ng mga civilians na killers sila. So, yun.
Next na daw.
Okay, sign lang. When we think of persuasion, negative examples are often the first to come to mind, but persuasion can also be used as a positive force. Public service campaigns that urge people to recycle or quit smoking are great examples of persuasion used to improve people's lives.
Ayun, so iniisip natin pag pag persuade ka, iniisip natin negative lang siya. Pero dito sabi nga dito na yung persuasion nagagamit din siya as positive force. Gaya ng public service campaign, mga ganun.
What is persuasion? So what actually is persuasion? According to Perloff, persuasion can be defined as a symbolic process in which communicators try to convince other people to change their attitudes or behaviors regarding an issue through the transmission of a message in an atmosphere of free choice.
So yan ulit, yung sa game, kasi di ba yung mga killers, ang goal nila i-convince nga yung mga civilians. So para ma-convince sila, magkakaroon ng change dun sa attitude nila, sa behavior, para mapaniwala nila yung mga civilians na hindi sila killers.
The key elements of this definition of persuasion are that persuasion is symbolic, utilizing words, images, sounds, etc. It involves a deliberate attempt to influence others. Self-persuasion is key. People are not coerced, they are instead free to choose. Methods of transmitting persuasive messages can occur in a variety of ways, including verbally and non-verbally, via television, radio, internet, or face-to-face communication.
So, yung sa game na pinagawa namin sa inyo is yung, yung the way na na-convince kayo ng mga killers na civilian sila, may choice pa rin kayo na maniwala sa kanila. So, yung mga killers, gumamit sila ng mga words para ma-convince kayo, and pwede rin silang gumamit ng mga actions para mapaniwala kayo na hindi talaga sila yung killers. Kasi minsan, nagiging basis yun para, ma-convince sila na killer kayo. So, kailangan magkaroon ng change ng behavior. So, yun.
That's the end of our
Thank you po.